Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. Hey, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Discord for Windows 10, 8, and 7. Discord is basically a proprietary free software for gaming communities that specialize in text, video, and audio. So just open up a new browser. You can use Microsoft Edge or Chrome. You're going to go to discord.com, click on downloads. If you have Windows, you download here. If you have iOS, you download here. So I'm going to do Windows for this example. Once it's done downloading, what I want you to do is click on this. It's going to give you a pop-up. You're just going to go through the normal menu of installing stuff. All right, so when it initializes, just sit back and let it do its thing. All right, once it's pretty much pre-installed, if you already have an account, just enter in your credentials. If you don't, you're going to click right here where it says register. And basically, you're going to create an account. I'm going to go ahead and put in my information. I won't be sharing this information with this tutorial. You just put your information in, so just be patient. All right, once you got all your information in, select your password. Once you do that, it's going to go ahead and load up. And this is how Discord looks once you're in. It's going to ask you to verify your email. So what you need to do is actually go to your email account and actually find the email and click on it, and it will verify you. All right, once you get in your email, you'll see an email that looks like this. If you don't see it using Gmail, make sure that you actually go down to all mail or spam to see if it's there. If it does, send it to your inbox. So you go here to Discord, and it's going to say just basically verify email. And you say continue to Discord. You could just say open Discord. It'll recognize it on your actual computer. And basically you are in Discord and you are all set. That is how to download and install Discord for Windows computers. Thanks. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.